It's a mess in here. What's going on? What's going on? Furniture? Furniture's outside. Books? Oh my God. It's a jungle. It's a jungle. It is a jungle. What are all these plants? There's too many. Oh my God. It's a mess. A real mess. A real mess. Spoons with no coffee. Hats. It's a mess. It's a mess. I've got a dinosaur next to an urn, next to a glass container. It's a mess. Coffee cups. It's a mess. Games next to pots. It's a mess. It's a jungle here. Would you agree? It's a mess here. It's a mess. Would you agree? Wild animals. Kangas. It's a mess. You'll have to go out. Coats. There's coats here. There's coats there. There's coats everywhere. It's a mess. My hair's a mess. Watches with rings. It's a mess. I'm a mess. I say it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. TVs, why can't they turn them on? It's a mess. Naked women. It's a mess. Cameras are nice. On top of the world. It's a mess. His hair's untidy. It's a mess. Stop smiling. It's a mess. Wow. It's a mess. Rocks. They must have rocks in their hair. It's a mess. Glass. Not straight. It's a mess. It's a mess. About to fall out. It's a mess. They're gonna have to tidy this place up. Bayonets with glasses. It's a mess. Naked people with crucifixes. It's a mess. Elephants with anchors. It's a mess. Lucky we have a few angels. Lucky we have a few angels to brighten the place up. Uh-oh, so much stuff. The place is a mess. How are we going to get rid of this mess? How are we going to get rid of this stuff? Lucky it's so cheap. That'll help get rid of it. Is that a swan? The place is a mess. The Place a mess. Religious people with First Fleet stamps next to Al Pacino. It's a mess. A judge's wig. Next to more stamps. It's a mess. The place is a mess. It's 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 a mess. Ask the headless person here. It's a mess. What am I to do?